Well, today I have three energy stocks that I would like to highlight. We've been talking a lot about the energy sector here in 2025, and for good reason. Here is what's going on. If we just look at the absolute performance of the energy sector, let me get this properly here, we can see that from a year-to-date perspective, the energy sector is not really giving us any meaningful outperformance. In fact, it's really not giving us outperformance. The XLE, which is an ETF that represents the sector, is up about 8%. On the year. Compare that to, let's say, technology and communication stocks, which are both technology. They're up 23% respectively. However, underneath the surface, as we've been talking to clients about for the past couple months or so, things continue to improve for the energy sector in individual pockets. So I have three stocks that I would like to point out, and these three tickers are as follows. I made a three sort of I don't know if it's a three-panel chart, but three charts on one chart, so to speak. And here are the ticker symbols. So the one on the top is ticker symbol MPC, that's Marathon Petroleum. The second one in the middle here, the blue one, is Phillips 66, so ticker symbol PSX. And the last one at the bottom in red is Valero Energy, ticker symbol VLO. The reason we pointed these stocks out in the summer to our clients is because they were giving us increasingly relative strength with a backdrop from a macro perspective that feels favorable to these names. And you can see that these stocks have powered higher in the meantime. Now, we do think that these stocks will continue to perform well. We don't have specific price targets on them necessarily, but we think more importantly, and this is kind of the point of the video, that these stocks could start to as they continue holding up and maybe give us more strength, could start to see other parts of the market, the energy sector and specifically, start to broaden out. So this will be like an intra-market sort of broadening, if that makes sense. So here, for example, is the energy sector, the XLE sector ETF that we referred to before on the year-to-date performance, and you can see that we're kind of coiling up here. Again, it's that relative strength internally that makes this attractive to us. And while we haven't seen a pop or a breakout here yet on this sector, and that's largely because the two largest weightings, Chevron and Exxon, haven't popped yet, but they're looking better and better. But in the aggregate, this is something that we want to respect. And again, if these three names here, and the energy sector is a fairly broad sector, meaning not all stocks are created equal. Obviously, they have different industries, different purposes, different things they do. But this is certainly something we want to watch, and not only here as we head into the fourth quarter of 2025, but I think as an allocation theme, possibly for years to come. Hope it helps. We'll see you in the next video.
If this video helped you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you give us a thumbs up like, and if you want to see this approach in action, you will want to join us in our Set the Market morning call, which happens at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, Monday through Thursday. Make sure you join us for that in the link down below. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.